it's Ira here. So today is day 5 of WYLET, and right now I'm already ready with my dress and I'm gonna go to get breakfast. Now it's like 6:45, and also I would like to unboxing something, guys. So yesterday we went to eat at Hard Rock Cafe, and they have like kinda gift shop, and then I bought some stuff. Let's open it, guys. So this is like, there is a bag. See? Oh my gosh, Hard Rock Cafe, and then I also got, this is like handbag too. This is like tote bag. See? And then I also got some stuff here. Let's open it. Ooh, I got bracelets, a souvenir. I also got magnet. Oh, this way. Magnet. Another magnet. So yeah, that's it. So right now I'm going outside to get breakfast downstairs. Was in line, and now I already get my food here. Potato, melon, and I also got like yogurt, eggs. So yeah. And you guys saw that line so long. To that way from that way. That's crazy. That's it.
Penyesuaian waktu deh. Iya. Beda banget ya, kerasa ya. 11 jam kan? 11 kan? Iya, 11. Kamu kira 12. Tergantung sih, wib apa? Wib. Kenapa wita ya? Kayaknya karena daylight saving deh. Kalau misalkan wib mana rumit?
They provide us with like Eid-ul-Fitr package. See, look at that. Isn't it so cute? For everyone. Like in every table they have it. right now we are in food session. It's like lunch time.
Sit there, that's us first place. She deserves
It's like chicken pizza and cheese pizza.
Yeah, and you're out. But
there is a brownie burrito. So cute. Look at it. It is so good.
before we get into the map that we'll pass out, we do want to mention that there's some special event coming.
Yeah, there may be a special event up on Capitol Hill. We've noticed that a couple of the buildings are closed at 3 o'clock. This means we should be able to still like look around Capitol Hill.
Oh my gosh. We are walking now WYLET to the Capitol building. This
You crazy girl.
so crowded here. Sorry. So that's the Capitol building, guys. We are walking closer to the Capitol building.
We're almost there.
Now we are entering the library with, of course, with just looking at our ticket. So over here, like there's a lot of line in the back. I just checked my ticket over there, and we're gonna inside of the library complex. It was like really colder here rather than outside. We're gonna go look around. Pretty. Wow, look at the architecture. So much pretty. And there is like a thing here. I don't know what is that, but this is so pretty, guys. Look at that. Look at this, guys. The building is so much beautiful. Like, I love the architecture. It's so pretty here. Oh my gosh. Look at there's a gallery. Let's go. There's gallery here. Oh my god. so pretty. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Isn't it so pretty? We are going down with Chan. This architecture is so much beautiful. So we are going back. Going back to the Capitol building. And we're like have 5 minutes more. And we're like running. So tired guys. Capek banget anjing. Lari.
Take a picture of us.
Panas banget guys. Panas banget.
Pronounce it. You.
We're like waiting for others to take a picture. Like a lot of people here taking pictures. There is Shan taking pictures. Now we are in the metro going back.
Why don't you take a seat right here, my friend? I'm okay. Well, you sit down because other people are going
Working on lesson planning, so it's like an individual project for us to make lesson planning to teach English, and I choose my topic as different kind of animals, so I would like to teach about animals, but it was like kind of in English, so I'm using songs, game, and some other materials to teach to make the lesson more engaging and fun. So see ya. Oh, by the way, right now I'm still making my poster. Well, it's not actually a poster, but it's like kinda like a board. So we don't have board, so we have to use this kinda like sticky paper. And I am in the hallway right now because I need more space, so I go here. So I need to be careful. I made. Well, I'm not really made it. I just look reference from YouTube and then apply it to my content. And yeah, so the song is like a lion in the jungle said roar, a monkey in the jungle said ooh ah, a chicken in the jungle said like 3 times pok pok pok, roar, ooh ah, pok pok pok. Was an animal that can fly? Bird. Was an animal that can swim? Fish. Was an animal that can slide? Snakes. So we're gonna do emotions too, so stay tuned guys. You know what? I'm actually really tired. Are you tired? Sean? Sean? Are you tired? She's not listening. You are my Sean, Sean, my only Sean, Sean. Already wrapping up, like doing all the stuff, and then we're going back to the main room with pencil, and we're done. Thank you, by the way. So stay tuned, and after this we're going to get dinner. So stay tuned. Bye bye.
Yeah?
Bye. Show me.
Show me.
Show me.
That's what I did, guys. I drew every single thing in this.
I believe more with this girl. Are you sure?
You believe then go.
What can I say? You know. Can't you tell?
I trust you now.
I did all of these lines.
Just lines. Just lines.
Well, all the lines here, I did it. Bye.
Okay.
Leave.
But he's like kind of being mean.
Nice. You're a bad person.
Yeah, he's bad.
You're crazy. You're
Ooh,
different.
look at that.
You're a weirdo.
Stop it.
Or my Shan.
Draw with your hand.
Is that a monkey?
I guess
This is a monkey, right?
She knows how to draw.
It is supposed to be people,
I
but
forgot how to draw. Oh my gosh. What did you do, Yusuf? So we draw this.
I am preparing my project.
Oh, alphabets. Nice. Good luck.
Thank you. It's
Ini filmnya kayak slackness banget guys sama Kak Audrey.
Ini mah sudah latihan slackness ya, flashback.
Kita
Kurang
bersyukur
tidur.
banget. Iya, bener banget. Kayak capek sih, capek banget. Tapi seru.
Tapi jangan banget capek. Aku kayak pincang guys, saking iya sumpah kayak
Apa? Kakiku merah tau kemarin.
apanya?
Kakiku merah sininya.
Oh iya luka-luka kan apa ya?
Kita nggak biasa jalan banyak sih guys.
Ya sudah balik Indo hampir setahun ya. Jadi kayak
Iya. Biasanya kemana-mana naik motor gitu kan.
betul.
Now we are in Moby Dick house of Kabab, and I'm still waiting for my food with my friend Shabir.
Hey.
He also have a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, I do a
You can guys like to subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put a link in description. So see ya. We are going back
It's fun.
to the
My older
hotel.
cousin and he said that
Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.
he's more